Hi guys, Roxy here, day 2 of my daily beauty blog. That's some c.y.o foundation, a little bit of the Marc Jacobs just to get your hot cocoa going. I'm doing it pretty light and just moving it all over my face. Now we got the Naked Skin Shapeshifter palette, which I dream about at night and love so much. I'm putting a little contour, contour. Snatch that nose. So swollen. Oh, I wish it wasn't so swollen. Alright, brightening up those dark dull areas with a nice peach color. Ooh. No, I didn't. Highlight. A little bit more nose contour. Now I'm going to use the powder side to blend it out and soften it. Okay, sorry about that. Now I'm going to blend it out some more. Again, hitting the nose because my nose has been swollen. Powder setting the eyes and the high points of my face. Alright, now we're going to do some more blending because I can't stop blending. Blend that face. Okay, I'm done. Anyway, that's a little bit cheek color from c.y.o. Back at the brows again. Jeez, I am obsessed. Wait, did I put this in the wrong order? I put it in the wrong order. Wow. Someone must pay attention when they're doing these videos, and it can't be me. That about does it. Bye.